Good morning. How are you all? Going good? Okay, fine. So in the last class we have discussed about many tools in the Stellarium software. Which are they? Can you list them? Yes, location window, then date or time window, then search window, then sender on selected object. Isn't it? So in this class we are going to discuss about a new thing, that is Eclipse at same places at a different time. Okay, so we can do that practical in this session. Okay, we can move to the class.
Activity 2.2 Eclipse in different places at same time. Take page number 15. Now, can you see what kind of solar eclipse was seen on 15th January 2010? For seeing that, open Stellarium, click on Application, Education, Stellarium. Now you can fix the toolbox. Place the location as Thiruvananthapuram. And the date is, read that, yes, 2010 January 15th. Okay, so close data time window and you can search sun. See, here is the sun, so just zoom in to see that. See, this is the position of sun and moon at Thiruvananthapuram. Okay. So you have to fill that box by writing which type of solar eclipse is this. Yes, very good. Partial solar eclipse. Okay. Now you are going to find the solar eclipse at Kasaragod in the same date. So changing Thiruvananthapuram into Kasaragod. Here we can see Kasaragod, India. After selecting that, you can see the yellow color. Search sun. See, this is also partial solar eclipse. So, in your textbook, you can see two figures. First one is, which type of eclipse that is? Yes, annular solar eclipse. Then second one is partial solar eclipse. So, you want to tick in that column which one is correct for Kasaragod, which is that partial solar eclipse. So you want to put a tick mark in the second one, that is partial solar eclipse. Is there any difference between eclipses seen in Thiruvananthapuram and Kasaragod? Yes, there is difference in the position of sun and moon, but that is partial solar eclipse. Okay. Next, activity 2.3 different eclipses. Set the place and time given in table 2.2 using Stellarium software and you can complete the table. Take page number 16, table 2.2. Which is the place? Kottayam, India. So, go to location window and type there as Kottayam. Kottayam, India. Then close it. Here the date is different. So take date or time window. 21/5/2031. Here the year is 31. Then 5 means May. And the date is 21. Just close it. Then what is the time? From 11:10 to 15. Okay. So you want to adjust the time as 11:10. Okay. We can keep this date or time window here. See, at 11:10 the position of sun and moon is like this. Okay. Next, time of the solar eclipse at its maximum, which means the full moon is covering the full portion of sun. So adjust the time like this. So you can see the moon is coming to this portion. Okay. Like this. So the time turns to 12. See, it comes to the maximum solar eclipse. And at which time the solar eclipse came at its maximum? Yes, 13:03. Okay, so in the textbook the time is given as 13:15. So it may have few difference between some minutes. Okay. The type of eclipse is ring solar eclipse or annular solar eclipse. Okay. Then next place is Chennai. Type there as Chennai. Chennai, India. Date is 2053. 9:12. 12. Then time is 15:15. Okay. See, at the time 15:15, the position of sun and moon is like this. Now we can see what is the time of the solar eclipse at its maximum. Just increase the time like this. See, it is not covering the sun fully. So you can write the time there as 16:29. Okay. So write the second column 16:29. And what type of eclipse is this? Partial solar eclipse. Okay. Next one is Kozhikode. Kozhikode, India. Time is 2019 12:26.
Give the time as 8 o'clock. Okay, so reduce it for 8. Then 00. Okay. You can now search the sun in the search box. Just zoom it. This is the position of sun and moon at 8 o'clock. Now you want to increase the time like this. Okay. See, at 9:26, around 9:26 and 9:28, this is covering the sun. Okay, the moon is covering the sun. So write there 9:25 in the third column. Kozhikode, India. Time of solar eclipse at its maximum. What is the time? You can write 9:25 or 9:26. Around 9:26. Okay. Then which type of eclipse? Ring solar eclipse. Okay. Then the last place is Kilifi, Kenya. Okay. So take the location window. Type here as KLIF. Here it is. And give the time as 1980. Then the month is 2. Then date is 16. Okay. What is the time? 12:30. Move it as 12. Then 30. Type here as 30. See, this is the position of sun and moon at 1980 February 16th, 12:30 p.m. So, you want to adjust it for the time of the solar eclipse at its maximum like this. By adjusting the time, you can see the solar eclipse. See, What type of solar eclipse is this? Total solar eclipse, because the moon is cover the sun completely. Okay, so write there as total solar eclipse. Okay, dear children, our second chapter is completed. Are you happy? Okay, very good. So, if you are having any doubts regarding the second chapter, you can contact me through your WhatsApp, and we can do the practical section after the lockdown days. Are you okay? Dear children, we can meet in the next class by the next chapter. Till then, you have to stay at your home. Stay safe. Thank you.